but I'm blessed.
We are now in Ludza, which is the oldest town in Latvia. It was mentioned way back in 1177. This year, 2021, it is 844 years old.
No more you,
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever.
Ludza is a town in the Latgalian region of eastern Latvia that is located nearby the Russian border.
When everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. No more, no more. Yeah. Everything is see-through, see-through. No more, no more. Yeah. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through, see-through? You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your review mirror. It must be nice you went and got a penthouse, all your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest, still a baby bird fly straight off the nest like you. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. Home. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through, see-through?
How can I believe
Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through.
The Lūdza castle was built in 1399 by the Livonian order and was used as an eastern outpost in Livonia. Though it is now in ruins, you can visit this place with a panoramic view of the Ludza lake. As early as the 1st century, this region full of forests and lakes was chosen by the Baltic Latgalian tribes as their settlement. While going around the town, you will notice that some of the streets have their names both in Latvian and Latgalian. Lūdza has always been an important crossroad between Europe and the vast territory of Russia, resulting to several nearby countries trying to take possession of it in the past. Even if it was a quick visit for me to this beautiful, calm, and historical town, it left a special place in my heart. Definitely worth adding to your places to see in Latvia, because there's more to see around, especially its rich nature and several activities offered by the town.